We're in Durham at the Howlands rally, and this is going to be really quick because one, I didn't think I was going to be making a vlog today, and two, it is starting to rain, so I'm going to talk really fast. Before I do that, let's have some opening credits. Okay, so before the camera gets all wet and everything, I want to show you these, right? So a little while ago, I got some of the really old Hoya lens filters, okay? Now back in the day, if you wanted to do special effects, the main way of doing it was via some sort of special effects filter on the front of your lens. Now they're not popular anymore, they're a bit cheesy, they're a bit kitsch, but I ended up getting some. I was buying some other stuff and these got thrown in. And there's two here, and I've been playing with them today. Now I took a few shots with this one. Okay. Now, I'm trying to remember what this one's called. It's got a special name. It's basically like a dreamy, fuzzy sort of lens. They were very popular in the late 60s and the 70s for glamour type shots, you know, pretty girl looking off like that. So I thought we might have a couple of buses looking all dreamy. And then there's this one. This is so cool. So you screw it on the front and the prism splits the light up, and you can rotate it. I have had so much fun wandering around this rally with this lens. You would not believe it. I have had a grin splattered from ear to ear. I have been loving it. And of course, one thing that you can do now, which had never been envisaged back in the day when these were popular, is you can turn your camera on to video mode. I'm such a big kid, I know. But anyway, that's what all of these funny photos and video are. I'm going to show you some now. I'll put them up, and I might have to abandon my position and run for cover because the rain's coming. Old-fashioned filters, great fun. Very kitsch, very cheesy. But I have so enjoyed using these. In fact, I can see me looking at getting a few more. Right, so the usual things. Click like, subscribe, let me know what you think. It is just a bit of fun, this is not serious or anything like that. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.